Oh, right there. Oh.
Oh, holy cow.
Oh, dang.
That was a big fish. That's all right.
Camera's back on.
It's all right. Hey, hang on a second. He's right close to us. He's a big fish, okay? Just play him good.
Jump.
He ain't gonna jump. He's really pulling line. Just let him pull. This is a great fish, buddy. Okay, you're gonna have to strip like a bandit when we get close to him, okay?
Yeah. Keep him
We're
tight.
gonna kind of go more towards the middle of the river. Yep, keep stripping.
Oh, yep,
Keep
that
stripping.
does hurt the finger.
Keep stripping.
Easily my biggest final fly rod.
Yep, it's all right. Just keep him on. He's not gonna like us. Keep him on. Wow. Keep stripping. Keep stripping.
Oh, that's a chub.
How about we keep the big words for...
Might be a sucker.
Sucker.
It's a sucker.
Can I snag it?
I don't know.
It's in the mouth, I swear.
Might be.
Well, that's just... I'm not going to say disappointing. It's a nice fight.
I think it is.
It
It
is,
sounds
yeah.
like a bat out of hell. Yeah.
Never caught a sucker.
I think it did.
Yeah, it's a sucker.
Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, come up and over.
Yeah,
Oh, damn.
it definitely did it, yeah.
Hey, don't worry, it's all on video.
I have a pretty bad angle right
That's
now.
all right. Just keep pulling up. No pressure now.
Well, I mean, it's my first sucker, you know?
It's my first sucker, man. That's nuts. Keep going. Keep putting pressure on him.
Oh, yeah, it's just not done. It's still pretty...
No, it's a walleye.
No, it's not.
I'm pretty sure it's a walleye.
I see that big fin in the back. I'm like,
No.
no, it's a sucker.
It's a sucker.
Oh my, that's not okay. You can't say that.
Yeah, it's a sucker. All right, keep pulling.
I have to just...
Oh, yeah.
He's just not coming. Hold
Yeah.
this thing. So I can hold it?
Yeah, get your fingers right underneath them like that.
That's sick. have you had this?
No, I've never caught a sucker before, ever.
I'm just a pro, that's why.
That's right.
All right, let me get one for the story now. Here you go.
That's right. Put them in there head first. Take off.